Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change font style in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and click on Display and Brightness. Here you'll find font style. Click on this. Now in this page, you'll find two options, default and classic font. You can choose one of them as you want. That's it. So this is how to change font style in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.